Amaryllo support videos. The installation process for direct Wi-Fi AP mode. First, screw in the deluxe in a clockwise motion till it is fixed. Now, wait for the deluxe to finish its calibration cycle.
Wow! Is this my new home? I am so glad to be out of that box. It is nice to meet you. This place is fantastic. Now please download the Amaryllo app and install me right away.
Ready for installation. Download the Amaryllo app and proceed to the next step. If you already have installed Amaryllo devices, press on Add Camera. Otherwise, directly choose the device you wish to install. You will here find some guidelines on how to fix your deluxe to your light socket. Now, select Direct Wi-Fi installation as recommended. Connect to your Wi-Fi and press Next. Select the name of your device displayed on the screen. Input your Wi-Fi password.
We did it! Now I have access to the internet thanks to you. Click the play button and you will see the world through my eye.
If you have any question, feel free to ask our support team at this address. Have a pleasant day.